Did you know that Earth is not a perfect sphere? And what about gravity? Do you think it's the same all over the planet Earth? Get ready for a fascinating journey into the hidden mysteries of Earth. Are you ready to discover? Welcome to the Invisible Thinker-SP channel, your source for lifestyle, curiosities, and much more. Don't forget to watch until the end, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content like this. Earth is not a perfect sphere. Have you ever stopped to think about the shape of Earth? We often imagine it as a perfect sphere, but the reality is much more complex than that. In fact, Earth is flattened at the poles, leading to a fascinating discussion about what truly defines its shape. Like on other planets, Earth is affected by gravity and the centrifugal force generated by its rotation around its axis. This phenomenon results in the flattening of the poles and the widening of the equator, giving Earth a more precise shape known as an oblate spheroid. It's hard to imagine that our planet, so vast and imposing, is not perfectly round, isn't it? But that's exactly what happens. The diameter of Earth at the equator is surprisingly about 43 kilometers larger than the diameter from one pole to another. This difference may seem small on a planetary scale, but it's a vivid reminder of the complexity and diversity we find in our own cosmic home. Water covers more than 70% of Earth. Have you ever thought about the amount of water that exists on our planet? Surprisingly, more than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water, making this vital resource one of the most dominant elements in our world. But water isn't just present in our oceans. On Earth, we find water in solid, liquid, and gaseous states, evidence of the incredible versatility of this essential element for life, manifesting in imposing glaciers, mysterious swamps, tranquil lakes, winding rivers, expansive seas, and deep oceans. But here's the most impressive fact: about 97% of all the water on the planet exists as saltwater in the vast oceans that surround our continents. This vast volume of saltwater plays a fundamental role in regulating the global climate, forming ocean currents, and sustaining diverse marine ecosystems. Freshwater, essential for human and terrestrial life, represents only a small fraction of this total. It is found in lakes, rivers, and aquifers, providing drinking water for billions of people around the world. Space begins about 100 kilometers above Earth. Outer space is a mysterious frontier that begins about 100 kilometers above Earth. This dividing line between Earth's atmosphere and the vast cosmos is known as the Kármán line, a significant landmark in space exploration. But what makes the Kármán line so special? Well, this boundary is located at an altitude of 100 kilometers above sea level, where the density of the atmosphere is so low that it can no longer support the flight of conventional aircraft. About 75% of Earth's atmospheric mass is concentrated in the first 11 kilometers of altitude above sea level. This means that as we approach the Kármán line, the atmosphere gradually becomes more rarefied, until it eventually dissipates into the vacuum of space. This tenuous boundary between the atmosphere and outer space plays a crucial role in determining what is considered space. This is where true space exploration begins, where rockets leave behind the influence of Earth's gravity and plunge into the interplanetary void. Earth is the only planet in the solar system with active tectonic plates. The gigantic plates that make up Earth's crust are constantly in motion, sliding and colliding with each other like cosmic dancers on a celestial stage. This constant movement of tectonic plates is what causes the surface of our planet to be in constant transformation. Mountains are uplifted, oceans are formed, and continents slowly shift over time. But tectonic plates are not only responsible for the Earth's landscape. They also play a crucial role in the seismic and volcanic activity that shapes our world. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are just some of the side effects of this intricate geological ballet. Additionally, the cycle of tectonic plates is essential for regulating Earth's temperature, recycling greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide through the continuous renewal of oceanic floors. Earth has a protective shield. Did you know that Earth has an invisible protective shield? That's right. Earth's magnetic field acts like armor that protects us from the continuous bombardment of high-energy particles from the Sun. This magnetic field extends from Earth's inner core to where the solar wind is located, which is a stream of charged particles emitted by the Sun. Without this protective shield, these particles could cause significant damage to our atmosphere and even to life on Earth. But Earth's magnetic field is not just a barrier against solar storms. It also plays a crucial role in many aspects of our lives. For example, some animals, like birds and sea turtles, use Earth's magnetic field to navigate during their epic migrations around the world. And for us humans, the magnetic field is the key to the functionality of the compass, which helps us navigate on land and at sea. Therefore, we can say that Earth's magnetic field is not just a scientific curiosity, but also a vital element for the survival of many forms of life on our planet. As we continue our journey of discovery, we are reminded of the incredible complexity and interconnectedness of all the elements that make up our universe. Each aspect, no matter how small, plays an important role in the grand scheme of things. Amazing, isn't it? Don't forget to leave your comments and share this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Invisible Thinker-SP channel for more fascinating content like this. See you in the next video.